Welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project and share all the details here. So what if you have an AI assistant that could scan the crypto market 24 by 7 and alerts you to high potential trade in a real time? So it is here. Welcome to the FT Signal AI, an intelligent crypto prediction platform that gives you an edge using advanced machines learning modules. But I will share all the detail here. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to also you will get a notification of my new videos in the future and you can get to know about more videos too. So without wasting your time, I will go back to the platform and share with you the details. I will share with you about the project here. Its name is FT Signal AI powered crypto signals in real time. I will share all the detail with the FT Signal AI. You will get a real time trading signals, precision forecast and smart alerts based on market data analysis. And here the cool part, by holding the first time FT token you can unlock access to the premium insight and AI powered tools. So here you can see 34 days, 20 hours and 37 minutes are left. Your edge in crypto trading powered by AI. FT Signal AI powered crypto signals in real time. So it's is first time FT. Their address is given. You can easily be able to buy it on DexScreener and DexTool by Radium and all that. I will share that link in my video description so you can easily go and check all, and I will share these two in my video too. So here is the graph is given about the Dex tool. You can see it here. You can see more about that here, and further you can see FT Signal AI details is given in this video. I will walk you through how FT Signal AI work, how to assess the premium feature and why it might be your next go-to tool for navigating your crypto world. So you can see it is AI powered signal, real-time crypto trading signal powered by advanced AI. Get alerts on market moves before they happen. Assess with the dollar FT token. Hold at least you can see 2,50,000 FT to unlock premium AI signals. So for be a part of the premium you have to just hold at least 2,50,000 here. FT means 250k FT to unlock the premium AI signal, early insight and priority update. So here in that way you can do no exaggeration claims about profit. You can see it here, and it is basically friendly, includes all the details. You can see standards are given. Hold 2,50,000 means 250k FT. First time their token you can get access to the AI powered signals, their real time trading alerts and also access to the community chart. And for premium you have to hold like 500k FT, and after that you can get that. You can even buy dollar FT from here too. So further you can see access with dollar FT token. You can get access by unlock full access of AI powered signals and premium trading alerts by holding dollar FT in your wallet. Minimum required to 250k FT. Join the future crypto intelligence and let the AI work the market for you. So what is FT Signal AI? So here they are sharing the FT. What is that? Is an intelligent crypto prediction platform that gives you an edge using advanced machine learning models. So an advanced platform that provide real-time crypto market predictions and trading alerts. It's use machine learning models to analyze the market and detect high potential opportunities with precision. And if you hold first time FT to unlock access the premium signals and forecast. You can see if you have any question you can go and check to their market. So if I share with you about that how you can be able to work on their DexScreener, I will share that with you. You can see it here. Their DexScreener view is given here and it is loading. You can see their prices is given at that time. It price is low, so must go and do investment in it, but do your own research before investing in it. And after that in the future its price will increase and you can get more income in it too. So further I will share with you the other details about the tools. So here you see it is also on the Dex tools. Here you can see the price and you can see their details, their charts here too. from Radium. You can just click on I understand. You can easily buy it with the Sol and anyone you want like USDT. So if you go and buy it with the USDT like 100 USDT, you will get a large amount of FT first time. You can see by 1 USDT you will get 4,881 approximately. You can see its price increasing, and you can see here is the liquidity pool is given. FT Sol, their liquidity is given, which is given here. All the you can see APR of 24 or which is 9.5%. You can even go and join them on their YouTube channel here and be a part of their team. You can even join them on other social medias to follow them. Their details is given, their posts are given, like about the DEX tool, their first time they AI powered, all their liquidity locked until 2029, buy and hold, bigger partnership. This journey has just begun. So you can see all the details, and you can even join them on the Telegram too. To join them on the Telegram, FT Signal AI crypto signals by $FT, you can join it and be a part of their team. All the details about this project. So if you like my this project, must go and join it. And if you like my video, give thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.